Hurricanes release energy equivalent to a 10-megaton nuclear bomb every 20 minutes. A single Category 5 hurricane produces more energy than half the world's electrical generating capacity, converting ocean heat into kinetic energy. Every hour, a major hurricane releases energy equivalent to the entire world's nuclear arsenal exploding simultaneously. If we could harness just 1% of hurricane energy, it would power the entire United States for months. These atmospheric nuclear reactors draw energy from warm ocean water, creating the most energetic phenomena on Earth.